So in this video, we're going to do pentatonic fingering number 2. All right, and just like the previous video, we stuck around the 5th fret. We're just going to stay right there, right in this area. And again, pentatonic scales, it's 2 notes per string. It's great for beginners, anybody. Everybody uses pentatonics all day long, no matter what instrument they play, really. You're never going to not use a pentatonic scale. I could go a day and a half and not use a major scale, probably. At least purposely, right? So, anyway, I'm going to show it to you. I'm show you how to play it, and I'm going to show you how to practice it, one of the best ways. And so here we go. Let's get into this. Grab this camera, set it over here, and again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If this video is something you like and you benefit from it, please do hit the like and subscribe button. Helps me out a whole lot. And then you can always head over to Brockguitar.com, check out the lessons there. Tons of lessons, play-alongs, videos, tabs in PDF format. But anyway, here we go. Pentatonic fingering number 2, around the 5th fret. All right, so the way we're going to do this is second finger is going to be on the 5th fret of the big string, and then my little finger is going to play the 7th fret of the big string. Okay, and then the next 2 strings are going to be the 4th and 7th frets, so that's going to be index finger and little finger. Okay, and that's that much of the scale. All right. So now when we go to string 3, it's going to be index finger on fret number 4. And for now, I'm just going to show it to you this way. This isn't really how to... We're going to learn it this way, and then I'm going to tell you something. So, your index finger is going to play 4. Your third finger is going to play 6. Then when you go to the next 2 strings, it's going to be frets 5 and 7 with the second and the middle and the little fingers. All right. Now I'm just going to tell you, that's kind of like how you're taught, in the beginning, like position playing, but let's get real. Nobody wants to do that. Okay, so here's how I do it. My index finger is always going to play that note right there, that 4th fret. But actually, I'm going to use my second finger to play that 6th fret right there, okay? Because what that's going to do is pull my index finger closer to 5. And this makes more sense. Out of all the songs I've played in my life, this makes more sense. Because then I'm going to go... So that 5 and 7 on strings 1 and 2 are actually index finger and third finger. And then I stretch down to that. And then you can see like this index finger kind of being here is like the pivot point between like playing in this position and then playing in this position. And the reason I do it that way, and pretty much everybody else, whoops, let's go there. All right, so like there's phrases and stuff that are built around this little part of that scale. Okay, so anyway, that's how to play it. And then, if you got like really long fingers, then you can come up with your own way to flesh it out. You might like some other things. You might just want to use index and third finger the whole way through. That's cool, whatever works. I'm just showing you what works for me. And most people, I think. So now let's do groups of threes, okay? And I'm just going to walk you through groups of threes on this so that you can hear it in your head. So I'm going to start on string 5. And I'm sorry, fret 5, string 6. And that's going to be 5, 7, and then this note. And then I'm going to go back a note. And now I'm going to start from this note on string 5. And now I'm going to start from this note on string 4. And now I'm going to start from this note on string 3. And now string 2. So, you know, it's almost like the groups of 3 pattern. No matter which pentatonic fingering you're doing, it fits really well on a pair of strings. So it might help to play it kind of the way I just showed it to you. Like, do like, you know, it's sort of like 2 groups of 3s, so you wind up with 6 notes. And then you're starting with this note. And then you're starting with this note. And then you're starting with this note. Then you're starting with this note. And then we're going to go backwards, or descending. Alright? And that's how to play the scale and how to do groups of 3s. Alright? And again, if this is helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for me, and ring the bell. And then you could also head on over to Brockguitar.com, check out the lessons. All the tabs for these things are there, the videos, the downloads, play along tracks, that kind of stuff. And I hope to see you there.